Hi learners, welcome to Engineering Clinic. So today we are going to see how to handle multiple versions of Java in Linux. So there are so many applications in Linux we might be using. So each of these applications will be, if it is Java enabled applications, each application will be enabled for some version of Java. So one example is if you have Java 11 and we have Java 8. So as you know that most of the applications are supporting Java 8 as the standard operating procedure, but in case we have Java 11 and Java 8 both are there in Linux machine, how to handle this? So in this post we are going to see how to handle multiple versions of Java. So to begin with, first thing what I do is I'll just first check the version of Java double hyphen version. So once you type this, you will get a version called as 11.0.7. So usually that's open JDK, that is open Java development kit. So this is installed here. So what I did is sudo apt install default hyphen JDK. So whatever there in the package manager, that will be installed. So this is what I have tried it. So since it is already tried, so it is Java 11 is already installed. But assume that I want to go with 8 Java 8. So what I do is sudo apt install open JDK and put a tab a couple of times. Then you will get JDK 8 hyphen JDK. So you can get Java 8 JDK hyphen 8. Okay, so once you get it, it is getting installed. Okay, so that is 1.5 MB will be installed. So in the meantime, what I do is I'll just show you one more thing is update hyphen alternatives. So we have a command update hyphen alternatives config space Java. So once you try it, so you can see there is only one alternative in link in group Java. So in as per the Java, there is only one configuration available. So the path is given here, user lib jvm Java hyphen 11 open JDK AMD. So this is the path available. So nothing to configure. So that means since there is only one alternative, so nothing to configure. So now assume that we have installed it now. So we have installed open JDK 8. Now the same command I will be running it here. Now see that I am getting three methods. So one is auto mode, another is manual mode, another is also manual mode. So we are getting 0 1 2 selection 0 1 2. So these two are locating in these locations, but whereas open 8 JDK is locating in this location. Suppose I am putting number 2 here because I want to use JDK 8. I am putting number 2 here. So it is giving permission denied. So what I do is I will go with sudo uh, update alternatives double hyphen config space Java. So once I try this, I give the password. So then you put 2 and put enter. So now it is enrolled. So this method is enrolled. So what I do is just copy this, right click and copy, because we have to set the path. So we need to set the path for this. So how to set the path is, so we are in the folder called as home folder pwd. So this is the home folder. So in this folder we have a file called as .bash rc. So we have a file .bash rc. So this file we have to open it. In this file, see already I have path equal to $path and I have given this value here, and export java underscore home. So you have to give java underscore home equals control V. I'll just put this control V here. So now this thing we can except up to GRA we can have, because bin Java will be not Java home, it is only the path of the Java location. So this is the location of Java home in this location. Okay, and for example this is the Java location for the 11. So let me try one application with the 11 first. So later I will just go with this. So export java underscore home equal to, so I have this. So let me comment out it now. So hash, when you put hash it is commenting out. Now I am using Java 11 open ADK JDK for this, and up to this we have this. Okay, so this is a Java home. Okay, now I will be running an application. So we have an application called as Contiki OS. So this Contiki OS for IoT operating system. Now here we have tools and we have Kuja. So in this I am going to run a command called as ant, the ant framework, and then I am running. So since Java 11 is involved in it, I think it's running. Okay, so okay, fine, sorry. Okay, it is running. So maybe I think it might be using Java 8 only, I suppose, because the latest one installed is Java 8. So it might be taking Java 8, JDK 8. It's anyway fine. I'll just what I do is I'll just give this source dot bash rc. So that means that I am just running this file again. Running this file source dot bash rc means I am executing this file. So whatever changes I made here, which is not reflected until I use the source or I need to restart my machine. So now I will just running it cd contigi cd tools cd kuja, then enter. So when I run it, okay, still it is running fine. So at times we can use this anyway, just using Java double hyphen version. I'll just check it. So now you can see unrecognized option double hyphen version, it is not coming. So could not get any virtual machine. So Java C double hyphen version. So it is Java C is 11.07 only it is taking. So even though we have given, so maybe I will just check with it. So one good thing is how you can use update alternatives. Update alternatives double hyphen config Java. So once you tie it, so now we are in correctly in this OpenJDK. So automatically the system is taking this 8 as this. So that's why we are comfortable with it. So no problems in it. Okay. So that's all here. If you want to have multiple versions of this, so you can use this config operations. So config, this command is not only for Java, it is for any other softwares that have multiple versions installed on a particular machine. So in Microsoft operating system or Windows operating system, this problem might not be happening because only one version will be running at a point of time. So it may not happen. But in Linux and Macintosh, there are so multiple versions we can install. So which version you want to take, it depends on this command. So you can use this command for these alternatives. So you can use this command. So let me use it. Sudo update hyphen alternatives, whichever command you have, alternatives double hyphen config space Java. So in case we want to use Java C, that is compiler, if you want to compile, then you can use alternatives double hyphen config Java C. So this way you can try out. So this is what this update alternatives. So the multiple versions of Java can be handled with this simple exercise. So the path to Java 11. So in your machine it may be different. The path to Java 8 will be. So this is the path. So very simple operation here. So you can simply able to do. So to install this, to install multiple versions, you can use this command sudo apt install default hyphen jdk, means the default will be installed. If you want a particular thing, sudo apt install open jdk hyphen 8 hyphen jdk, you can install this way. So this is to install the multiple versions. So this will be installing version 11. This will install version 11 and this command will install version 8. So thanks for watching this video. So kindly update your machines according to the versions of Java available in your machine. So thank you very much. Thank you.